In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to webhooks. This is a great way to automate parts of your workflow, making your scheduling process even more seamless. Connecting Calendly to webhooks allows you to communicate with other applications you might be using by sending real-time data events from Calendly. It's a powerful tool to enhance your productivity and streamline how you handle your appointments. So, let's dive right into the steps to get you up and running. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Calendly account. It's best to have your credentials handy to avoid any delays, and open Calendly in a web browser of your choice. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard where you can manage all your meeting types and settings. It's crucial to ensure you're in the right account, especially if you're managing multiple calendars or different clients. Next, navigate to the top right part of the screen where you'll find the Account drop-down menu. Click on Integrations and Apps. This takes you to an area where Calendly houses its integration options, allowing connections with various tools and platforms. Here, you can explore different possibilities and manage existing integrations easily. Once on the Integrations page, you'll need to find the API and Webhooks section. Click on Show All to reveal all the integrations that Calendly offers. There's an array of options you can potentially connect with. But for this guide, we're specifically interested in the API and Webhooks option. So scroll through until you find it and give it a click. Now, you'll see a section labeled Personal Access Tokens. These tokens are key for authentication when you're linking Calendly to your webhook. You will either click Generate New Token or Get a Token, depending on what's displayed on your screen. This step is crucial for ensuring that your webhook is correctly set up with the requisite permissions, so make sure you complete it carefully. Once your token has been generated, you'll need to copy it. This token is vital for safeguarding your integration and maintaining secure communication between Calendly and your webhook. Make sure to store this token in a secure place. Password managers are a great option here, as they keep your sensitive information safe and easily accessible for future use. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected Calendly to webhooks. This connection opens doors for more advanced processes and automation, helping you use your time more effectively. For any specific configurations within your webhook, you'll refer to the service you're connecting to for further instructions. But for now, you're all set with the Calendly side of things. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!